Hi folks, Russ from Pro Steam UK here. We are specialists in upholstery, carpet and floor cleaning and restoration. And today we are working on two sofas for a customer. These sofas were originally purchased from Vale Furnishers in Surrey. Very, very, very nice quality. These aren't your average run-of-the-mill sofas. And at the end of the day, these two-seater sofas require cleaning, so the customer can sell them. And I think what will happen is somebody will come and have a look at these, and they'll be nice and clean, and they'll appreciate that, and it's going to make the sale of the sofa so much easier, because people appreciate the fact that you've gone to that trouble to have them professionally cleaned and that. So anyway, I just thought I'd take a little bit of video before we start. There is a lot of soil and wear and tear in areas. We can see kind of like these areas here. Probably could be spillages. Now this is a mixed fibre fabric. Okay, so it's a mixture of synthetic and natural fibres, and the chances are some of these areas here will not improve. Like down here, looks like there's been like some kind of tea spillage or whatever. We do have products that can reduce the staining, the colour, but we may not be successful in completely removing this. Okay, it's different when we're talking about 100% man-made sofas, but the more you pay, the more chances you have of buying something that is a blend of natural fibres. Anyway, we'll make a start on this. We'll come back to this when we're getting stuck into removing all the dirt and everything from that arm there, and we'll see what sort of difference we're going to make. There you have it, folks. That's the sort of results we can achieve. It's all in the method. Right, just under 3 hours, we've managed to restore these two sofas back to their former glory. That said, we've on most of it we've managed to remove those yellow stains caused by tea, coffee spillages. That one there has almost gone. We have used a product that is continuing to work on the cushions, on the base cushions. This one in particular had quite a nasty spillage that had turned yellow, and again that is slowly disappearing. These are all looking good.